What's up, guys? Eric from VSonic here. And as I mentioned today, you've been seeing on our social media blast, today's the day, our 15th year anniversary. Today's the day we're going to be celebrating it. And we are setting up right now. So let's give it a walk and let's just kind of show you what we have going on so far. Shows is officially going to start in about an hour. Our booth is setting up. The cars are rolling in. Got a lot of the cars that we partnered up with and that has our products. That's parked here up at the front. We also have some overflow in the backs as well. Go walk in. Let's show you how the AT230 shop looks. All right, guys, we are midway into this event today. Pretty awesome. Turnout is amazing. Going to them, they think it might be one of the biggest car meets they ever hosted here. Pretty amazing. Pretty pleased to hear that. We're having an amazing time, and we're very excited to have a lot of these type of events in the future. So if you're here in Southern California, if you don't mind driving down here, just follow us on our socials. We'll announce it, and make sure you don't miss it.
All right, we got 083. 083, we got a winner. Congratulations. Oh, it's
It was an amazing event, guys. There's so many people showed up. We filled up all the parking lots, all three of them. And there was a lot of people that unfortunately they couldn't find parking. They had to turn away, but hopefully you guys could come by and join us in other events in the future. We're very excited to have you guys here. If it wasn't for you guys, we would never be in this position to be able to throw these events and give out raffles and prizes and all that good stuff. Just share our VSonic love for everybody. So yeah, once again, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your subscribers and our followers. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and give us that like and help us with the subscribe button as well. But if you're here at the event, go ahead and post your comment below. Let us know what you thought about this event. If you liked it, anything that we can change to make it more fun. It's all about you guys. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.